So what you'll need to do this glitch is you're going to need 2 full horizontal blocks. So right now I do not have any. So these blocks, make sure that you put them on the left side. And then try to leave these right spaces open here. So here we have 4 blocks which are vertical, and you're going to put them on the right side here at the bottom right corner. Afterwards, you're going to take the other 4 blocks which are vertical. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take these other 4 vertical blocks and you're going to put them on the top left corner of these other 4 vertical blocks here, like so. One thing to keep in mind is that this might not work because maybe the app has been updated and the developers have noticed that people have been using this glitch, so they might have fixed it. So what this glitch is basically going to do is it's going to give you the same 4 vertical blocks which you can place anywhere in the given space. And there you go.